Coding Interview 4-in-1. A beginner's guide to learn and study the theories and principles of coding and perform well in the coding interview. 50+ tips and tricks to better performance in your coding interview. Simple and effective methods to cracking the coding interview. Advanced methods to learn and excel in coding interview. Written by Schmidt. Narrated by Herold. Coding Interview, a beginner's guide to learn and study the theories and principles of coding and perform well in the coding interview. Written by Schmidt. Narrated by Herold. Introduction. Coding interviews have changed over the years, and the expectations are now firmer than ever. Interviewers not only want to assess your programming skills, but also want to assess your behavior during the interview. It is important to develop the right practices and attitude before you go for the interview. You need to display the right skills so the interviewer can hire you without a doubt. Your communication and problem-solving methods also give the interviewer a fair idea about how well you can approach different situations at work. This book has all the information you need about coding interviews and leaves you with some example programs you can use in the interview. The book also has some tips and tricks you can use to determine how to behave in an interview. The list is not exhaustive, but it should give you an edge over the other applicants. Go through the book and familiarize yourself with the information. Use the book as your guide before you begin working on the code. The book has all the information you need about coding and what you need to learn to ace the interview. You will not only learn about the different programming languages you can choose from, but also how to choose the right language for the program you are trying to solve. The book also leaves you with some tips you can use to answer the interviewer and what you should keep in mind to leave a good impression on the interviewer. Towards the end of the book, you will find a few common algorithms and programs interviewers want you to know. They will give you problems where you need to use these algorithms. If you master the use of these algorithms, you can solve any problem using decision, loop, and sorting or searching algorithms. Regardless of how amazing you are at coding, you need to practice if you want to ace the interview. Practice, practice, and more practice. That should be your motto. Thank you for purchasing this book. I hope the information helps you